What's up, 8th grade? Mr. Catlin here with your homework help. If you're struggling with this first problem about the exponents, just here to kind of help you along the way. The first problem just wants to know what the value of 3 to the fourth power is equal to. And this is not 3 times 4, this is 3 to the fourth power. So what that means is that you're taking the number 3, which is the number at your base, and you're multiplying it by your exponent that many times. So this would be 3 times 3 times 3 because you have 4 times that you're multiplying 3 by itself. And that turns out to be 81 when you multiply those 4 together. All right. So that's what an exponent means, is that you're multiplying the base that many times by itself. So number 2, this is what we talked about when we're comparing these large ones without actually working them out. How many times bigger is 3 to the 15th power compared to 3 to the 12th? Well, if you're doing 3 to the 15th power, you're doing 3 times itself 15 times. And if you're doing 3 to the 12th power, you're doing 3 times itself 12 times, which means that on this one, in comparison, you're doing 3 to its own power 3 times more with this one than that one. So you're multiplying by 3 extra times. And so that means it's going to be whatever this value is times bigger than that one. So you subtracted the 15 and 12 to get that. And that would be 3 times 3 times 3, and that would give us 27. Another way to think about that, let me put that into the calculator so you can see. Maybe this will be a little more illuminating. If you take the number 3 and you raise it to the 15th power, you get this really big number. Obviously, exponents do that. And if you do 3 and you raise that to the 12th power, which is 3 times smaller, right? And what you want to do essentially is divide those two numbers, right? So you want to know how many times this will go into that. So you could do that and see that 3 to the 15th power, when you divide it by 3 to the 12th, we should get the number that we got for our answer, which is 27, because 3 to the third power is equal to 27. We can subtract those to see that it went 3 times itself, 3 times more, right? So we should see that in this, and that's why we have 27 times bigger. All right, and that's all I got for today's help, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in class. Later.